I took my fun C8 Corvette to the Rockwall Courthouse. May 21st, lots and lots of wonderful cars. I believe there had to be at least 200, 250 cars out there. Great variety. And that really meant that because there was such a huge variety, there wasn't really an overwhelming number of Corvettes. So I cherry-picked a few here and there as I walked around the courthouse. And so let's just see what I've got. Hope you enjoyed this. Here we go. Welcome to Road Odyssey. This will be a short Corvette video. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. This is part 1 of the 18th annual Cars for Casa Car Show, May 21st, 2023 at the Rockwall Courthouse. So just off the main highway, and yep, they parked all around the courthouse. The host was the Dallas Builders Association, and the charity was Lone Star Casa. Going from old to new, starting out with this 1960 C1 Corvette between the C4 and C3. Sporting the dual headlights, this front end started in 1958. The large white sidewall tires look wonderful. Appears to have the original wheels as well. Chrome, paint, emblems, all looking very, very spectacular. This was certainly a very good example of a C1 Corvette. Really, really nice, well kept together. Interior looks all original. If it's not, then it has been painstakingly restored. And just love that rear end and how the exhaust comes through the bumper. Just really a cool idea. Love these cars. A quick shot of a 67 C2. Looked like it was an all original 427 restoration. Sorry I did not get video clips of this. It was a huge show. So I'm sorry. Let's go to the next C2 though. Not certain of the year of this car, but you're guaranteed it is mid-60s. 427 C2 Resto Mod. This 427 is now sporting an LSX Willwood brakes. Had a large cold air intake and a 102 throttle body. Lots of beautiful chrome on this car. Foose wheels, slotted rotors. Carbon fiber console, like that steering wheel, but a beautiful car. Moving up to the C3s with this 1969. Love that hood. 400 horsepower turbojet 427, I believe. The restoration on this engine bay is wonderful. Now look at this interior. I'm not a fan of the brown, but man, this thing just looks great with the green. I love it. Looks like it just came off the showroom floor. Just another timeless design for the Corvettes. These were fantastic looking cars. Couple of white Corvettes, and moving to a 1973 C3 Corvette, or circa 73. Again, a timeless design with that giant front hood. Just a beautiful, beautiful design. The interior was very nice. I believe the seats were covered because they're just trying to take care of this interior, which was looking like brand new. So just another wonderful C3. A 1981 C3 is going to end it for me for the C3s in this video. Moving up now to the C8 Corvettes. While this white C8 is good looking, let's just move on to the C8 Z06. As far as sports cars are concerned, if I had a choice of all the sports cars that were at this show, this would be my number one choice. the C8 Z06, carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber pretty much everywhere, inside and out, like the wing and stuff you'll see in the back. Just with the flat plane crank engine, lots of really ready to go horsepower in these cars. You know, hand built engine. I mean, they're just really neat cars. The color is not exactly my favorite, but boy, will you see it coming down the road, and so will the cops. Thank you so much for watching this Rockwall Car Show introduction with Corvettes from May 21st. And I will be having probably a part 2, part 3, part 4, whatever coming up next. So be on the lookout for that. Lots of cool cars to show you still. So again, thank you for watching this Road Odyssey video. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. Relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.